Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you 5 awesome Power BI visuals to take your reports to the next level. Let's begin. Before getting to the visuals, remember that you can import them using the option to get more visuals on Power BI Desktop. Here's a video if you want to learn more about it. The first visual is text filter. The text filter is an awesome one because it lets you filter all your dashboard with the text value. This is great because it works as some kind of finder. It's fairly simple to use. As any other slicer, you only need one field. So here I have some sales data in a bar chart and I'm filtering by city. In this case, I'll look for New York, press enter, and there we go. Really simple, really easy, really useful. The second visual is called scroller. The scroller is awesome if you want to have a little bit of extra data in your dashboard. As you can see, it might remind you of something you'd see on Wall Street. For its configuration, you only need a category, a measure absolute, which is the number it'll display, and you can also put a deviation, which can be a comparison between two periods to see if there was an improvement or if the metric is worse than before. The third visual is called Infographic Designer. Here I have a bar chart, but instead of having bars, I have these little icons of money. And this one really lets you personalize your visual. So here I can come and instead of having multiple units, I can have only one. I can give it a field percentage. I can also change the image. You can even import different images if you want to create a visual from scratch. So in this case, I'll change it for, let's say, this dollar icon. And there we go. This one is really cool and really powerful, and it really pops when you are presenting your dashboards. The fourth visual is called Play Axis. This one's great if for some reason you won't be able to manually change the filters on your report. As you can see, if you have it on a TV or in a production floor or something like that, it will change all the different filters for you automatically. The last one is called Process Mining by PubNow. Actually, I can make a whole video talking just about process mining, but let's see. This visual lets you take a dataset describing a process where you need a case identifier, an event label, and a timestamp. It gives you all the different variations and path that each run of that process took. So for example, here in this path, we have a register request, it was examined, a ticket was checked, there was a decision involved, and a pay compensation. You have the time it took for each of the steps to complete. But also, if we come here and start adding more variants, we can see other runs of the process where something deviated. In this case, for example, there was a thorough examination and there was a case where the request was rejected. If we come here and keep opening variants, we can see a whole lot of more paths for you to analyze and start identifying improvements for this process. Those were 5 awesome visuals for you to use in your next Power BI reports. If you like this kind of content, let me know to make a series where each week I'll give you 5 more awesome visuals. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and here's another video if you want to keep learning. Great. Have a great one. Bye.